Hey guys, Virus here from No Mercy Airsoft Squad, and I just got my package from Airsoft GI. It's just some gear that I needed. I'm not really impressed with the shipping because it took over a week when I ordered it on Sunday last week. It took over a week, so I'm not really happy with Airsoft GI shipping because I've ordered something once before and it took about a week, and I'm not really like happy with that. So hopefully it'll be better in the future. But I just got a vest, or I'll just show you guys. Like all of it together was about $70, so it's fairly cheap. So let's get into the unboxing. First off, we got some tactical paper. We got some Airsoft 101 stuff. It's just tells you all what to, like, it tells you some tips and tricks and all that. This is my order form. Right here is the vest I got, which I'll get into that in a second. Here's some gloves I got. And let me just try these on real quick just to see how they feel. These feel pretty nice. They seem like they'll get hot though, so that's probably the only flaw. Next, I have my Lancer Tactical IBH helmet. Let me open this for you guys. Oh wow. It's really heavy and it feels like it'll be really sturdy. Oh my. It's the black edition. It comes with the night vision mount. This was $42. So it's fairly cheap for a helmet. But this right here is mainly gonna be used for my GoPro. So I'll move this aside so we have this. This is the helmet cover, gloves, and here's the main thing that I ordered. It's a NC Star tactical, not tactical, but it's a NC Star M4 chest rig. It's bladder compatible. It comes with the bladder pouch. You can see right there. This is lightweight, super lightweight. Super lightweight, sorry guys. It comes with 6 mag pouches in the front, so you can hold 12 mags all together. And has Molly on the front right here. The sturdy D-rings seem sturdy at least. It has Molly, as I already said, and it seems like it'd be really comfortable because it's really flexible, so it won't feel like it's weighing you down. I've been needing a new vest because I had a tactical vest once before, but it just got really hot, and that tactical vest wasn't mine, it was Gunner's. So yeah, guys, I hope you like this unboxing. I will do a review on the IBH helmet and the vest because I hadn't seen many people done any. So if you guys could just leave a like and comment. If you have any questions about any stuff that I bought, I will gladly answer them. This has been Virus. Peace out.